Food trip talaga to.
Grabe, from Laguna.
Kung kakasama ko si Wilbert, gano'n.
We decided to have dinner in Tagaytay. We decided to have our dinner at Raminagi. Actually, initially, we planned to go to Jiangnan, but we decided to settle here. I ordered their limited king, yung crab, and salted egg. Presentation-wise, mas maganda yung itsura niya dun sa picture. Naka-excite subukan kasi I like how creamy it looks like.
Ay, pero ano?
Moment of truth. For me, masarap naman siya, pero honestly, lasa siyang dagat. Don't get me wrong, masarap siya. I have been really looking forward to try this. Ito yung itsura ng soft shell crab. At ako, nung binuksan ko siya, meron siyang alige. In terms of texture, medyo bago siya sa dila ko. In terms of taste, lasa naman siyang crab, but I don't really know what to expect because this is my first time to eat soft shell crab. This is my first time here. Siguro sobrang ganda nito sa umaga. Before going home, we decided to have coffee. Kwentuhan pa sila na nakakatakot dito. All in all, I really enjoy this day. There's really no dull moments with these people. Bukod doon, in between travels, I get to take my nap. This is it for today's video. Isasama ko kayo ulit sa susunod naming lakad.